1, 2, let's go.
Hello, ladies and
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Introducing the QNED 75 2023 model. So we are unboxing it right now, and that will be how it looks. It will come with the magic remote. As usual, everything is the same. Magic remote. Okay, Pachas, can you tell the people that we love them in your language? Eh? In your language. Tell your language. Pachas. You want to tell in Nepalese? No, okay, say in Nepali language. We love you all. Subscribe to our channel. Uh-huh. Eh, huh? Yeah, you speak Nepali. You say? We love you all. Subscribe to our channel. Okay. What okay? I'm not telling you to say okay. So how many HDMIs? Okay, let's check. So it comes with 2 HDMIs here, other 2 HDMIs here, 1 USB and another USB. So it means 2 USBs and 4 HDMIs. Yeah. So we'll install this one on the wall.
bolo.
Bolo. Kaisa hai? So our TV, that's how it starts. Our Boris, then we will connect the remote. So we'll connect the remote. In order to connect the remote, you have to press this button. Now the remote has connected. You choose the language. First of all, when you connect for the first time, the remote will be moving. So it will move towards different directions, but after like a while, now it has stabilized. So you select where you're best. We are supposed to be based in Kampala, but for today, we are based in the Middle East, and that's in UAE, the land of peace. So we are using the remote. We'll skip the Wi-Fi for the moment, but we'll get back to that. Okay, let me first put in the Wi-Fi. I'll just go back one step back. So I'll put in the Wi-Fi. We've finished putting the Wi-Fi, the password. So after the password, once it connects, okay, it's connected. Yeah. Then it will take you to terms and conditions, which you have to accept. If you don't understand them, just press the next. I'm sure most of us don't know how to read Arabic. Press next, then agree. Next. You can do this manually. I'll not put anything, so I'll select none for the moment. And it's wall mounted. This affects the sound quality, which gets out of the TV. And guys, for the moment, just know that this is QNED 75. It will be like a combination of quantum dot plus nanocell technology. This is Alpha 5 generation 6 AI processor, 4K. And this is only 60 hertz. It's not 120 hertz. So if you're buying for gaming, PS5, this is not 120 hertz. So if you want to 120, you'll start from QNED 81 for the 2023 series in LG. So here it says you can install any of the apps which you want. Let's do it all. Alexa, no, not now. Install the applications. Then once you're done with the installation,